Ito yung mga set pang babae.
Set na ahas.
Set. 18K. This is only 18K, sa? Ang
18K,
ganda oh.
I have 21 also.
Pang babae. Set. How much is this set, brother?
My friend also this one 21K.
This one 18 and 21K.
Yeah.
How much is the 18K?
Maybe around I will check the grams
Okay.
first.
Check lang. So 18 and 21K.
So this
Itong
one,
design
see
parang
this one,
ahas,
this
guys,
one.
oh. Ay, mas malaki. Grabe, ang ganda nito. Yun. Ito yung parang medyo ano, yung madam na nananampal na ng katulong. Ang ganda ng design, no?
This one
The
15,
18K,
15 gram,
15
1.6.
grams, 0.6.
15.6.
Kampalo.
I will choose now.
Okay, 15 grams, 15.6 grams.
15.6. Baliktad.
Baliktad. Ito, 15 grams, 0.6. Yan, isang set.
15.6. 5.5.
Show it.
5,500 riyal.
Yan, 5,500 reals now, guys.
After
Ito.
discount and all,
After
when
discount.
you like it, somebody
Yeah.
like,
Okay.
still you have tawat.
This is the 18K, but the 21K contain
21. Oh, malish.
no problem. Oops, nalaglag. Yeah. Okay.
This one
19.
different like 300 for
300.
300 riyal.
Okay.
Yeah, for that.
So
I have the sing there, the ring.
you have mungkin
Estimate like
estimate mungkin para sa ng timbang yun, pero sa 21K kasi.
I check the grams first.
Okay. Wait lang, check natin. Humaba na yung hotel ko, guys. Ito naman yung isa, oh.
This one, yeah, my friend, 19.2.
19.2 grams. 19.2 grams, guys.
7,600.
7,600 reals. So,
21
comes
karat.
with necklace, earrings, and ring. So, isang set siya, guys.
Yeah. I have more, but
I'll come back for
see, we have
another.
more stuff,
ito
more
yun, ha?
style.
Where is it? How much again?
7,600.
7,600, guys. So 21K. So yan, ha, tandaan nyo lang. So yan. So I think dito ko muna tatapusin yung ating content. Mahaba na yung ating na-content dito. Napa one take vlog ako. Short lang sana kanina. So ayan na siya, guys.